Yeah, welcome back, guys. Just want to take you guys through, lesson through, because as said earlier, I've already released beginning your forex trading career. So, and also, lesson two simply entails understanding properly, understanding the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So now let's just go straight to business. Starting with MetaTrader 4, actually I've deleted almost every of the accounts. So excuse me, the MetaTrader 4 will surely be automatically creating a demo account for you. In case you are not really satisfied with that, just click just go back to manage accounts. You want to open a very standard or a very good demo account that you can control then very well. Then you should click on this cross symbol, click on open demo account, look for, you find broker. In this case I should be using Halpari. Now all my information has been filled already because it shows that I already have an account with them. So click on create and done. Should be waiting for verification. So in this case should be seeing, you won't be seeing enough currency pairs. So just click on this icon, click on the plus sign, and you start adding indicators back to your charts. The likes of FX minus 2, leave the rest, exotic, gold. DXY is actually dollar index. To be very, you need it when it comes to your USD pairs. Whenever you are trading USD pairs, then you really need DXY dollar index. So now you can see that we already have quite large number of what again of these of currency pairs. Now clicking on one of them should be seen. Yours will not be as plain as this. Yours, you should be having something like this on your own, something like this, something like, what was it always there? Was it okay? Something like, I guess, RSI, okay? Should be having something like this, not as clean as this though. So just do not panic. For you to remove them, you click on this F symbol, click on the delete icon, mark them all, and you delete. Can you see? And now your own background might not be as neat as this. So you just look for a way to do what? Go to settings, adjust it, you change this show period separators, you unmark them so as to remove additional vertical lines. Okay, let me just take it back to what you should be seeing on your own charts. Can you see? You should be seeing something like this on your chart. Just to remove them, go back to settings, click on this, color, my grid should be white. Then that's all. I'm having a plain chart now. So now, should be, now you now tapping the screen of your phone, you should be seeing this round circle. Just tap anywhere at the screen of your phone, you should be seeing this round circle. It really means something when it comes to trading. It really means something. What does it really mean? All these M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1, W1, MN, it actually implies time frames. Those are the time frames we deal with mostly in forex trading. MN actually implies monthly time frame, and monthly time frame means what? Each and every candlesticks you are seeing on monthly time frame is being formed for good 1 month. That is 30 days in the case of 30 days, 30 days in a month, or probably 31 days whenever in a month that is more than 30. Then This multi-time frame actually implies that each and every candlestick you are seeing, let me just zoom very well, each and every candlestick you are seeing, no matter how small the candlestick might be, is forming for good 1 month. Now, I think I've zoomed and we can also see that there are some candlesticks that are big, there are some candlesticks that are small. Doesn't really concern you. But the fact that they're actually forming a monthly time frame, it means that they are forming for good 1 month. Now, let's proceed. Tapping again weekly. Weekly actually means weekly time frame. W actually means weekly time frame, and it implies that each and every candlesticks we are seeing on this time frame is formed for good 1 week. That is, the bias the weekly time frame is giving you should be the bias you should be using for a whole week. Can you see the weekly candle for EDCAD now? So now daily, that's it. So let's just say, for example, I just asked you guys to give me Hero USD H1 time frame. Just go like this, click on your quotes, look for Euro USD. Yes, open chart, tap the screen of your phone, H1. Yeah, then anything you are seeing here should also be happening on my chart as well, provided I ask you to just click on Euro USD H1 time frame. That's all. So now tapping the screen of your phone again, you should be seeing the likes of F, the cross symbol, and these three different shapes embedded inside each other. So now let me start with the F symbol. F symbol actually means list of indicators. Should be showing you list of indicators around. Now indicators in what sense? Indicators are actually what retail traders use mostly to determine either buying or selling in a particular market. Though here in Mavic FX Academy, I might just probably take you through the intro. We are not really treating indicators like us really trade indicators. So now move tap the screen again, click on this cross symbol. It actually shows two things. It's either it's showing you the date and the time, or it's showing you the present value, which means where I'm actually putting this cross sign now, it's showing me 23 ho ho 23 2300 in your respective geometric time frames, or and also it's showing me the current price of that level, which is 1.17752. That's just it. Now you click on it again to remove it off your chart. Now these three different shapes embedded inside each other is just to for it's just where you pick your objects. Objects are actually probably what we use mostly to determine, to give an insight of what is going to happen in the market, and also remind us whenever we open the chart again and we sing and be like, okay, I actually did this then, and it either went on well as expected or not. Now you just click for your on in your own side, all display should be blank, but here I've added a whole lot of objects. That's why it's actually showing. Now you click on the plus sign. For example, if you're using a horizontal line, then you click on horizontal, should be showing like this. In case you are not really okay with the color, you long press and you click on this icon. It should be showing you where you can change the color to either red, the thickness of the candlestick. Probably you are not okay with the number, you want to adjust the number, you do that here. So after that, click on done. Can you see the thickness has increased? Now if I need 4, then can you see that the thickness has increased? Now if I should now pick one, can you see how nice one looks on it? And if I just want to change the color, I might adjust the color to any fucking stuff, any color I'm interested in using. Yeah, so as simple as that. If I should just ask you, check Euro USD check euro usd 1 point check euro usd 1.17468. Yeah, just go on your charts, probably 4 hours time. If I should tell you, check euro usd 1.17468, 4 hours time frame. Then you click at the middle like this, click on H4, then you tap again to pick objects. Now you now long press to change the value to 1 point. Just adjust. Just adjust like this and you click on done. That's all. That's all. So the value you are adjusting to, can move it either manually or long press to add it again. So now that's just one thing about lines. We have the likes of trend lines too. These are trend lines. Can actually use trend lines like this too. Can you see? Can you see how perfect and okay the trend line was? So that's just it. Now let's be realistic when it comes to stuff like this. We also have the likes of, also the objects. We have fib level. I believe you can all see fib. Can you see that it implies various levels in which the market has been making some moves and the likes. So also the most commonly used one objects to the likes of the arrow. Probably your arrow is pointing upward, then that means you should be expecting a possible pie order from here, from this level. So now we also have what, in case you are interested in using rectangle. This is actually a very nice rectangle. I drew a very nice and perfect one. Or in case you are interested in ellipse, so can see now. So various objects can be used in different ways. So you can see that I can easily delete them in case you are no longer interested. Just long press and you click on the delete icon. That's all. So now, what else? Forms of orders. The other and various orders we make use of in forex trading. Now, can see this black in the middle is actually referred to as lot sizes. All these ones are actually used to adjust in case you are not ready to input it manually. You can just adjust them either to reduce it by 0.1 or to increase it by 0.1 or reduce it by 0.01 or increase it by 0.01. It all depends on your choice and your trading knowledge, and also what you are looking for in the market and what the market is actually giving you. So we also have the likes of what, yeah, you see instant executions, buy limits, sell limits, buy stops, sell stops. Then these are actually what I will still have to cover in my introduction to forex, my lesson 3. So I think I don't really need and have to rush. Let's just chill first. So now, thus, so this money symbol actually implies currency pairs. If I should tell you Euro JPY, Euro JPY 4 hours time frame. Can you see now? Just click on this and you look for Euro JPY and it gives you what you are interested in. This clock symbol also implies the various time frames, and also the last one implies the type of order you're interested in taking. So now here is where you should be seeing your running trades either in profits or in losses. Here actually implies the outcome of your trade. Either the ones in red will surely be your losses, and the ones in blue will be profits. Now here is actually where you'll be seeing various news each and every day. News are being released. So let's just quickly go straight to MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 is also the same thing. It just depends. Just depends. This is actually one of my real accounts, and I think I can't really disclose any of it like that. So here is actually various currency pairs either to buy or to sell. So that's just it. I think they are still the same thing. What we discussed is still the same thing on both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Can we see what the market is giving? So that's all. I think we are already done for now. Can you see? So it all depends. It all depends. This is actually my indices account. In text, you have either indices account, you have a real normal forex account and USD account based on your broker. So I'm using the Rive and binary. So they're almost the same thing. So nothing much to discuss about. So I wish each and every one of us happy trading and learning. So in case you have any question or issues setting up your MT4 account, or probably you have something that is not clear, don't hesitate to ask on the chat, on the mentorship chat room, or even do well